So here is my model before, and here is me now getting started on the haircut. So I've got my clippers with the smallest guard on possible. I'm removing all of the weight that I can with the smallest guard on my clippers, and as I work in an upward motion towards the temple area, I take my clippers and I flick in an outward position. The reason I do this is because it simply just makes fading out and blending out that line from the sides to the top a lot easier. Okay, so I'm going to work my way all the way around the haircut using my clippers to remove all of the weight on the lower half of the sides and back. So now I'm going to cut the upper half of the sides and back, and I'm going to do that utilizing my fingers. I'm going to start at the front of the head and simply work my way back to the center back, and then I will do the exact same thing on the left side of the head. Alright, now that I have cut the upper half of the sides and back through my fingers, I'm going to start implementing some scissor over comb just to really strengthen up that blend from the upper half of the sides and back into the top. So now I've got the trimmers in my hand, and as you can see, I am cleaning up the hairline on the right side of the face. Now the sideburns, and I'm going to work my way around the ear, down the back of the neck, and then all the way around to the left side of the face. so as you can see, I am now cutting the length on the top of the hair. So I take a center section from the center of the face all the way to the crown, combing the hair straight up, holding my fingers in a square shape, and cutting in the length / my guide for the rest of the top. Now, I'm working in sections on the right side of the head, and I will go through and work on sections on the left side of the head, and then I will cross-check from front to back. So I've completed the right side, and as you can see now, I am going to cut the top on the left side, doing the exact same thing that I did on the right side, just taking sections from the front of the face back to the crown, holding the hair, combing it straight up in a square position, and basically establishing that outline on the top. Now, as I mentioned, I was going to cross-check the hair on the top, going with opposite sections, so from the front of the face, working my way now back to the crown. Come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.